Howdy folks, Weller's Utility Trailers has a lot of trailers. I'm Jimmy Weller with Jimmy's Crash Course. We got this 5x10 trailer here. It's got the ramp door, it's got the extension flap, 3/8 walls, 3/4 floor, 16-inch cross members. It's a great all-around trailer. You can pull it behind a car, a truck, a van. Has that 3,500-pound axle, easy lube wheel bearings, radial tires, sidewall vents. Has a V-nose on the front, and it has a stone guard. As you look inside, you're going to see those plywood walls, plywood floor. This trailer will hold over a ton, about 2,100 pounds. So if you want to store pellets, firewood, anything you need to keep dry, you can put quite a bit of weight in there. You can store your motorcycle in there, luggage, band equipment, lots of options for this trailer. And with that sidewall vent, you're going to get good circulation. So come check it out at Weller's Utility Trailers, 16889 North Main Street, Bridgeville, Delaware.